Small hands can do big things, especially when they help at home. Hi everyone, I am Vivine and I'm currently pursuing a Montessori teacher training course. As a part of my assignment, I had to prepare a classified picture storybook. Since I wasn't at home, I asked my niece and nephew to help me out by taking the pictures I needed. They had so much fun putting it all together, and that's how this little story, Helping at Home, came to life. This is the cover page of my storybook, Helping at Home by Noah and Lisa, where I've mentioned the submitted by and the submission date. This is the content page where it talks about the type of material, theme, classification, focus, and the objective. Now I would like to read the story for you. Noah and Lisa helped Mom clean the house. They picked up their basket and clothes. Mom gave them each a good job to do. Lisa dusted the table. Noah put books back on the shelf. They folded the mat and smiled. They wiped the counter and washed the basket. Mom cleaned the fridge. Everyone worked together. Lisa sorted the mangoes and bananas. Noah arranged the cucumbers and tomatoes. They made the shelf neat and tidy. Noah swept the floor. Lisa mopped near the window. Mom carried the trash bag out. They put away the tools. They gave each other a hug. The house looked fresh and clean. Inside the book, I've included simple pictures and short sentences. Each page shows Lisa and Noah helping in small ways, like arranging toys, folding clothes, or keeping things in place. The idea is to help children understand that even small hands can help and that working together makes home a happy place. Since this was a part of my Montessori course, the content is kept classified, focusing on practical life and responsibility. I also wanted the language to be very simple so children can connect with it easily. Thank you.